Good morning, everyone. How are you today? So, today will be a new day. It's Monday today, and I'll be trying out something new today. How many times did I say today? I'll be trying this out. Hopefully, it'll turn out great. The thing is, I don't have suspension on my bike, either in the front or in the back, so it'll be kind of bumpy, but in post-process I'll try to make it stable. I mean, yeah. Alright, let's go. Okay, some weird thing is going on in the MYP, or actually PYP section, because the place was full, like the football court, basketball court, like the outside court for their side is full of students. I'm not sure what's going on, but probably an event. Not really a fire drill because there's no alarm blaring. Yeah. Obviously, he's not here, but at least the door's open. I mean, like, there's no one here. No one. I'm serious, there's no one in this building. Building's empty. Probably have to be there, I guess. Alright, there's nothing to panic. They're just doing the rain prayer, which is cool. I mean, praying for rain, that's really cool. Yeah, as I said, they're on the other playground in the field. There's no one, so don't know what to do. So anyways, heading out to see what that rain prayer actually looks like. I'm used to the normal prayer that they do, but the rain prayer, that's new. Okay, that's the rain prayer going on right there. So, not much of a difference, but pretty awesome. So I haven't been noticed about this, like through email or anything, but yeah.
صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
So the rain prayer is what it says. They pray for rain because since we're in Riyadh, in Saudi Arabia, we don't get much rain. And this is one way that they do it. It's pretty cool, very impressive. I like it. It's cool. Okay, so now they're officially done. I'm not sure what was said, but very well said, I'm sure. No clapping is involved because it's religious, so yeah. Alright, back to class. Alright, it is break time. I had my math class, then the English class, and now it's break time. So, I'll do the usual. I'm going to the MYP section because there's a lot of fun there, as usual. Okay, more people want to be in this vlog?
Subscribe! I'm the biggest fan, Jamil, wallah! Subscribe!
Thank you guys. I didn't know the building here would be such a chaos, but it actually is. It's actually pretty funny because this is basically the, I'm not sure if PYP, but something around that. So okay, heading back to class, which actually is HR rotation, I think. It's more like we have to. I don't know if it's HL rotation or advisory. It's just really weird. I feel like it's a waste of time, but yeah, that's just how it's gonna be. You can't skip that class. Well, technically you can skip the class, but only if you dare. So. They love doing that. They do. Go ahead.
Good morning everybody.
صباح الخير. صباح الفل للناس الكل.
الناس الكويسة جميل أوبريغون. تحياتي.
Thank you. Thank you. So right now we have this core class, which means if you have an SL class out of nowhere. Anyway, if you have like an SL class, you don't go to that SL class in the advisory, so you go only to an HL class. But if you have an SL class, then you go to core, which is this. They explain about things. I'm going to tell you guys what it is after this class. Right now it's extended essay, which is cool. I'm gonna need that. Alright, what's up guys?
What's up? We are your biggest fan.
Thank you.
The biggest fan for you. Yeah,
Alright, see you guys. Alright, so I just talked to Mr. Steven about a project that I'll be helping out in. And that project will be about the traffic in school. So you have seen from my time lapses how chaotic the streets are. I mean, in front of the school, right? And we're gonna change that. We are gonna change it. So hopefully I'll be the cameraman and probably the one who edits everything. So yeah, that's all for you. And then it will be me, a few NYP students and a few DP students, me included. Probably some from the NYP. They have to be students because we're the ones who want to change it. Yeah, we basically want to do this thing with Mr. Martin, our, I think, executive principal. I'm not sure. But yeah, we really want to get this thing to safety, right? It's all about safety. Alright, school is over. Heading back home. See you guys in the next episode.